Hello everyone, welcome to our day 10 of new Linux series. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the crons and cron jobs. So if you ever wonder how to automate the repetitive task in your Linux environments, so this is the video for you. So in this video, I will be going to cover what is the cron tab, how to create the and manage the cron jobs. I will provide some practical examples that might be help you to get started and with the cron jobs. So let's jump into it. Okay, so for understanding the cron jobs, I am using the VS code in which I install our WSL, Ubuntu WSL in that. Okay, so let's first clarify what is the cron. What is the cron tab? Okay, so basically cron tab is a command in Linux which stands for cron tables, and it is a configuration file that has some specifications. So if you hit cron tab hyphen L stands for list, so you can see it doesn't print anything because we haven't set any crons yet. So if you uh, type cron tab hyphen E, which is used to edit that cron tab file, so here you can set your crons. So for now I'm just exit from this. So let's quickly understand what is the syntax for cron job, and each line in cron tab file follows the specific format. So that format is like this. Okay, this is the period or syntax or the schedule to execute any command or any script. So here you can provide any script like echo hi, and you can store that in any log file like hi.log. So it will be stored in hi.log file, or you can execute any script here like this. Okay, any script test.sh, and you can store its logs also test.log. Okay, but when that cron is going to run, that is totally depend upon this asterisk, 5 asterisks. So this is used to schedule the specific cron. Okay, so the first asterisk stands for the minutes, which is 0 to 59. So how much time, how for what minutes or a specific minute that cron is going to run, we set here. Then hours we set here. The value can be provided like 0 to 23. Then here you can provide the day of the month, like of first day of the month or 31st day of the month or any day of the month. Then here you can provide the month, only month like January, February, March to December. And then at the end you can provide the day of the week like Sunday to Monday. Okay, Sunday to Saturday. So, and the day of the week starts from 0 to 7. So 0 stands for Sunday. Then gradually it will increase. Okay, so let's quickly discuss how we are going to set a cron. Okay, so let's see some scenarios here to check the crons. Okay, so how to list the crons present inside any cron tab? For that we using cron hyphen L. First let's edit it using hyphen E flag and add some crons here. Let me just copy this one only directly. Okay, for now just ignore the stars here. I will explain the period once we get more close to it. Okay, now we set the crons here. Okay, and the crons are set for to run the cron every minute. Okay, and as you can see I run the test.sh and store the logs from test.sh to test.log, and here no test.log is there. So after 1 minute that log file will be created here because we set a cron like it should be run every minute. Okay, so how we are setting this cron to run every minute? Okay, so star means star stands for every time. So if you set star for something that is run every time, like for minutes, if you set star, then it will run every minute. That star should run every hour. For this star, every day of the month. Then this star every month of the year. Then this every day, okay, of the week. So that means what? It should run every minute of every hour of every day of every month of every day of the week. Okay. So that means what? If you check cron tab hyphen L, that cron is there, and that cron is going to run that script test.sh and store the logs in test.log. And just remove this content because I just wanted to print simple statements here like echo hi. Okay, and save it. Currently time is 17:02. Let's see cat test.log. It don't have anything else. Let's wait for 1 minute. Till now we are going to discuss the next scenarios. Now we discuss about how to run cron tab every minute. Now let's run the how to run the cron at the start of every hour. Okay, so every minute you got it, but for every hour, that every minute should not be there. So till these four asterisks are the same. Okay, but what about the first? So to not run in every minutes, you need to provide 0. That means in minutes that crons are not going to run. And then at the end, you can use same start.sh or anything that you wanted to run every hour. Test.log. Okay, so this is how every uh, start of the every hour will work. Now I think time is done. Let's quickly check the content from test.log. Okay, let me first restart that crons and let's remove test.log once and check now. Okay, let's wait for 1 minute. Yeah, till now we are moved to our next scenario, which is run cron at every day at midnight. Okay, so how to run at every day? So the that to run every day, we need to use this third one. Okay, so we don't want it to run at every minute, don't want it to run at every hour, but we just wanted to run this at every day. So we are using this one. So it will be execute at 12 of every day midnight. Same test.sh and we are storing the logs. Okay. Now the next scenario is how to run it on Sunday at 2 a.m. Okay. So here what we specify, we are specified in the day of the week. Okay. So what we wanted it to be run at every Sunday at 2 a.m. Okay. So not we don't want it to run out every minute, not every hours, but we want it should be run on every day, on every Sunday. Okay, but at 2 a.m. Okay, so every hours we need to set to 2. That is for stand for 2. Then day of the month we need to set star because we are going to set on Sunday only. Day of month we are setting star, but for what? Sunday. Sunday stands here for 0. So that means here we need to set 0. And then our same script dot sh. Okay, stored logs anywhere you want. So this will be running that script like every Sunday at 2 a.m. Okay. Now if I wanted to run every day at 6 p.m., then how we are going to run? So every day like minutes 0. Every day at 6 p.m. means we are need to set hours. So 6 p.m. means 6 we provide here. That stands for 6 a.m. So p.m. we need to provide 18 here. Okay, for 24-hour clock, and then it should be run every day. Then every day star 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 because every day we don't have any specific day to specified or any month. So star. So it will be running on every day 6 p.m. Okay, your script. Now let's Now let's go to the next scenario, that is to run the cron jobs at 12:30 p.m. on first day of every month. So how you are going to achieve that 12:30 of every month? That means at 30 minutes 12 p.m. right? On every month. So month is first, every month, every first day of the month, and then day we don't know, and the month we don't know, but the day of the month we know, hour we know, and minutes we know, and then our script. So that means that script is going to run and on every first day of the month. Okay. Now, the next thing I wanted to cover, like how we are going to run it on multiple days, like runs at 5:30. Okay, runs at 5:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. Okay, so 30 minutes, 5 minutes. I think it will be 17. Okay, okay. Then day of the month is not matter. Just we need the day weekdays. Okay, week of days. So it will be like Monday to Friday. So how we are going to set Monday? Monday stands for 1 because Sunday is 0, and 1 to Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That means 5. And then our test.sh. So if you wanted to provide some series, so you can use hyphen. If you wanted to provide like only Monday and Tuesday, so you can use Monday and Tuesday using comma. If you wanted to provide some series, so you can use hyphen. So it will be counted as a complete series for 1 to 5. That is Monday to Friday, and it will be execute our script on at 5:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. If you wanted to run our script every 15 minutes, then what? If such type of scenario happen, you wanted to run it on every 15 minutes, so you can use like this. So it will be running on every 15 minutes. If you set here, it will be run at 15 minutes. Okay, but at every 15 minutes, like after 15 minutes, then at 30, then at 45, then at 1 hour. So for that you need to use like this. Then star 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 and star, and then your script. So it will be going to execute it every 15 minutes. Okay, let's. Oh, I think we haven't provided our test.sh to execute permissions. That why it will not executing anything. So let's quickly provide the it execute permission like chmod 772 test.sh. Okay, now let's wait for another 1 minute, guys. Okay, okay. So let's go to little bit complex scenarios. Okay, how we are going to run cron job at 3:15 a.m. and 3:15 p.m. Okay, every day. We wanted to run our cron at 3:15 a.m. and 3:15 p.m. every day. So how we are going to do that? So you know, like 30 minutes is the common. Then you need to set the hours. So for now we have 2 hours like 3 a.m. and 3 p.m. So 3 a.m. stands for 3, 3 p.m. stands for 15. We set comma because we need just two values. Then star star star, and then our script. I hope you guys got what I'm trying to say. Okay. Now let's quickly try one more last scenario, and at the end of this video I will going to show one website which is used to understand the cron more easily, and you can practice or play with that in that site with the variable cron tags and cron jobs, so it will be more easier to you guys to understand all these things. So let's try one more last cron job. The question is run that cron job at midnight on 15th of each month from January to June. Okay, from January to June, 15th of each month at midnight. So midnight means we don't need to set any date because midnight will be actually count the next day. Okay, so here we don't have any thing related to minutes or hours, so we are setting it to 0. Okay, so midnight means we set like 0, so 0 is midnight. Okay, then we need to set 15th of each month, only like every month, like this is the day of month, so 15th of every month. January 15th, February 15th, March 15th, and then we set like month, January to June. So January stands for 1. So we have series, that's why we set 1 to 6, January to June. And day, we don't set any days. We just we want any days that will become on 15th. So we set star here. Then our script dot sh. So this is how we are going to uh, use cron jobs to automate your work on any required work. So and using this pattern we can schedule these cron jobs. Okay, now guys, let's quickly create one folder here, mkdir test script. So cd test script. Okay, and we have, let's check cron tabs hyphen l. So if you wanted to remove the already present cron, then you can use r. So I wanted to remove the crons because I'm setting new cron here. Okay, now the crons got removed. So cron tab hyphen l. You see no cron for root hyphen e. Then we are going to edit here. Okay, now here we can set one cron, star 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 star. Then which folder we have in. Okay, let's quickly go to that folder first. Pwd. Okay, here we are creating one script. Okay, so we have our test.sh here, which will be printing echo high here. And so in cron tab we will be setting it something like this, star 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 star. What is the path? Slash test script slash test dot sh, and we are storing this output to dot log. Okay, hit enter. Now close and just wait for 1 minute. Okay, so it will be executing our cron every minute. Let's test this cron. So guys, let's quickly check our cron. Okay, so here we have our test.sh and cron tab hyphen l. You can see we set our cron inside this folder for test.sh, which is we printing like test.sh hi message in, and we are storing this in this location. Okay, every minute. So like minutes are passed, and let's see the logs. Okay, cat. We need to go to that location. pwd. Yeah, we are in that location. ll. Yeah, here test.sh test.log file got created. Then cat test.log test script. Can see. Hi. 2 minutes are passed. Let me just tail this one. Tail 3. Okay, 10 hyphen 10f and test.log. Let's wait here. After 1 minute, As you can see, guys, that high got printed, and after next 1 minute, that high message will be print again because we said to run that cron job every minute. Okay. Now, we have one website where you guys can. Now we have one website where you guys can check the crons and execute the crons. Like it will be. Let's clear this one and star 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 and star. Now it will be display message at every minute. Okay. If you set here one, then it will be shows it will be run at 1 minute and next where it is going to run. So that site is crontab.guru. There are lots of sites are present on Google. You can refer anyone, but this is just for your reference. Okay. Similarly, you can plan, or you can test, or you can play with the cron example that we already covered in our video and explore this website, guys. And I hope you like this session and practice it, use it, and thank you so much. See you in next session. So please share this video to your friends and colleagues, and please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so see you soon.